In this video, we'll be looking at the project list screen. What we see here is my project list screen for CAMEL Plus, but the layout in HYENA Plus is much the same. This screen gives you a list of all projects created by either yourself or others in your company. Note that all projects are stored online rather than on your local machine. We use AWS servers based in Sydney to store your data securely. To get started with a new project, you can click the Create New Project button here. This will take you straight to the project data screen of a new project, where you can then enter your project name and continue from there. Another way to get started is to upload an existing project from a DAT file. You can import a DAT file from a project created in the old desktop version of the software and then continue working in CAMEL Plus or HYENA Plus. You can also use this feature to import a DAT file from a project that someone else has created in CAMEL Plus or HYENA Plus and sent to you. Another way to import a DAT file is to simply drag and drop it from an Explorer window directly into the project list. Now, looking at the project list itself, you can click the title of any project in the list to open it up. The project status will be shown here. If it says valid, then all the required inputs have been entered. If it says invalid, then you still have a bit of work to do before you can run the calculation. You can also see when each project was last accessed and who it was accessed by, as well as who created the project and when it was created. If you click the relevant heading at the top of the table, you can sort your project list in alphabetical order for the project title or accessed by fields, or in chronological order of when it was last accessed. Another way to quickly pull up the project you are looking for is to use the search box up the top here. Start typing in the project title, and the project list will instantly be filtered. If you click the three dots next to a project, there are a couple of additional options. Firstly, you can export all the input data into a DAT file so it can then be imported at a later date. You can also use this feature to save an offline copy of your project for your own records if you wish. The Save As function can be used to create a duplicate of the selected project, say if you wanted to change a few parameters and rerun your calculation. Just enter in a new title for the project and hit the Create button. The next thing we'll cover here are the features for file management, which allow you to create folders and subfolders to better organize your projects. Clicking the Add Folder button here will add a new folder to the base directory and allow you to provide a folder name. Press Enter once you have finished to save. If you have a folder selected, you'll see that you now have an option to add a subfolder beneath this. You can add as many subfolders as you need to organize your files. There's also a Rename button here that works on both folders and project files. You can also access this via the F2 shortcut key. This Delete button, or pressing the Delete key, will send any selected files or folders to the deleted project screen. Once you've set up your folder structure, you can drag and drop projects into the new folders. You can select multiple projects at once by either holding down Control and left-clicking to add individual projects to the selected list, or Shift and left-click to select a group of projects. You can drag and drop all the selected files into a new folder. You can also drag and drop folders into other folders, but you currently need to click the folder first to select it before dragging. To move a subfolder back to the base directory, drag and drop it onto the title header at the top of the list. It's currently not possible to shift select projects that are already in a folder, but this is something we plan to address in a future update. The last thing we'll cover in this video is the deleted project screen. The function of this is similar to the recycle bin in Microsoft Windows. Projects that have been deleted from the project list screen will be found here and can either be restored or permanently deleted by clicking the three dots next to the project. Note that the folder structure from the project list screen is maintained here. So for example, if a project was deleted from a folder called Melbourne in the project list screen, you will then find the equivalent folder in the deleted project screen. Also, if you delete a folder from the project list screen, it will appear here in deleted projects along with all projects that were inside it. That's all for this video. For more help on platform basics, be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series that are relevant to you. Links are included in the description. Bye for now.